Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Egg-travagant knot, spelled E-G-G at the very beginning, because this is for Easter, your Easter egg right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a gear tie as usual, just kind of wrapped around in the shape of an egg. This is just a general template. Don't worry about it, we'll cover this with this right here, so it doesn't have to look exactly perfect. So here we go, let's go ahead and set the belt line. On my left hand side, we're going to go ahead and put in a dimple with the tie, and we're going to bring it up and over like so. And then we're going to put in our egg shape, and then we're going to wrap it around like this. It's pretty simple. Like this. We're just going to keep wrapping it around like this. And cover the whole thing. And then you're going to get a better looking egg like this. Right. So we have this so far. Here's your egg so far. Fold that down like that and come down like that. So there we have our egg right there. I'm going to fold it in half and keep it down like this. So that's what we're going to kind of now, it's still going to be a little loose in there. So what I'm going to want to do is bring this through, just to kind of secure it, and bring it down. I folded it in half. That's probably the best way to do that. So as I was going through, I just folded it in half. You don't have to. It's just at that point it's to secure it, although it does make it look a lot better. So here we have that for you guys. So again, just a gear tie and a regular tie, and you're good to go. That gives it that firmness in there. So again, on your side, my friends, we are fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next tutorial video.